Good morning, Pier Runners. Welcome back to Morning Brews and Cruise News. I'm your host, Trevor Shelby. This morning, we've brewed up a storm of information for you guys to make your Friday, July 21st, all the more exciting. From the latest updates to the Carnival Pride saga to celebrities' ambitious private island dreams, we've got you covered, okay? But before we dive head first into all of these thrilling updates, let's awaken our senses with the week's sip of coffee. So this week we've been drinking, it's Coffee 30 bourbon barrel aged coffee, okay? This stuff is amazing. It comes from Lake Charles, Louisiana. It was a generous gift from the Traveling Mannings on YouTube. Go and subscribe to them. They are wonderful, wonderful people. Gary and Teresa came to Oklahoma and only to visit me. It wasn't for work. It was just to visit me. It was so nice of them. They said, "Trevor, we need to visit you." And I said, "Oh, you are welcome to the state of Oklahoma. Come on in." So you have to call me first before you come. So anyways, so definitely check them out on YouTube. I'm sure that Gary vlogged the whole thing, and he's got YouTube videos coming out all about it. So we will see, guys. All right. Oh, man. This coffee is so good. It is so good. Now, today we're diving into the fabulous world of celebrity cruises where something exciting is brewing, and it's not just the coffee, guys. Yes, you heard it right. Celebrity Cruises is actively looking to purchase their own private island. This exciting revelation came from none other than Laura Hodges, the new president of the line, during a media meet and greet in London. While she couldn't really provide any, major details on the private island that they're, looking for, but her ambitions was made quite clear. Last month, we heard the news that Celebrity will be sharing Royal Caribbean's private island, Perfect Day at Coco Cay, beginning in 2024. This island will be a stop on sailings from Fort Lauderdale, both Celebrity Reflection and Celebrity Beyond, which is being relocated to the U.S. from the Mediterranean. However, it seems that sharing isn't enough. Laura Hodges plans to give celebrity passengers an island of their very own. She didn't reveal where this island would be, but with 2 ships now based in the Caribbean and more mini-break cruises on offer in 2024, we're wagering the bet that it's in the Bahamas because, it's where a lot of great cruising, private islands are. Now, a lot of people might be worried about overcrowding over at Perfect Day at Coco Cay, but no worries there. Ms. Hodges made it clear that Celebrity would not be sharing the island with any of Royal's mega ships, but they would share it with some of Royal's smaller ships. So they're going to just ensure that everyone has plenty of space to stretch out at Coco Cay. Now, Perfect Day at Coco Cay is known for its vibrant atmosphere, its water slides and attractions. Not exactly the vibe we associate with celebrity cruises, right? But Hodges assures that there are areas like the Coco Beach Club and the upcoming adults-only Hideaway Beach that align well with the typical celebrity passenger. And I'm just going to put this out there. Not every celebrity passenger is a fuddy-duddy. So there you go. Celebrity cruisers also have been taking note from the successful cruise model of Virgin Voyages with its focus on short break cruises and private beach club at Bimini. Could this be a hint of what we might expect from the celebrity private island? With her eyes set on amplifying the entertainment offerings and delivering unique destinations, Ms. Hodges is posed to reshape celebrities' cruising experience. She emphasizes that delivering destinations in a way that complements the premium nature of celebrity onboard experiences. On a final note, the UK remains to be one of the biggest parts of Celebrity's growth plans, with the Edge-class ship Celebrity Apex slated to base in Southampton next year. Now we're moving on to our main story today. It's going to be an update from what we were talking about yesterday. Today we have some fresh news from Carnival Pride, so grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive right into this. If you've been following the recent saga with the Carnival Pride, then you're aware of the hiccup that led to the cancellation of the original cruise, which is due to set sail today. The good news is Carnival has shared some important updates and a truly brilliant offer for those affected guests, so let's take a closer look at this. First, the repairs are almost done. Carnival's working around the clock and they anticipate the ship will be back in Dover by Monday morning, and here's where the good news comes in. They will be able to operate a cruise with a abbreviated itinerary, which means the vacation just isn't off the table just yet, folks. They are proposing a revised journey that will depart from Dover on Monday, July 24th and return as originally planned on Sunday, July 30th. Here's a glance at your new itinerary. Monday, you'll part from Dover. Tuesday will be a fun day at sea. Wednesday, you'll visit Belfast, Ireland. Thursday takes you to Holyhead, Wells. Friday, you'll be in Cork, Ireland. And Saturday is another fun day at sea. And then finally, Sunday, you'll return to Dover. If passengers choose to embark on this cruise, Carnival is sweetening the deal by offering a prorated 3-day refund to your cruise fare, along with any, taxes and fees and port expenses. And they're reimbursing everyone for their missed shore excursions. Guests who are already in Europe can claim reimbursements from the additional night's hotel stay on Sunday, up to $300 per night, plus a food per diem of $100 per day per person. If you haven't yet departed for Europe, you're eligible for an onboard offer and a hotel and food per diem for Sunday only. Moreover, Carnival will cover the change fee for your airline tickets if it can be rebooked. But what if you choose not to sail? What if this is just all too much and you want to be done with it? Carnival's got you covered too. You are entitled to a full refund of your cruise fare and a 100% future cruise credit, plus taxes, fees, port expenses, and pre-cruise purchases. In light of this revised itinerary, Carnival is asking all guests who wish to cancel to give them a call by noon on Friday, July 21st, to ensure a timely cancellation of your reservation and the processing of your refund. They're trying to get all that done right away so you get everything back as quickly as possible. They're not trying to hold you up at all. With a chance to enjoy the beauty of Wales and Ireland, this offer is pretty darn hard to resist. Now, I will say, if you follow the funnel heads on YouTube, they are going through this right now. They put up an interesting video about they were homeless. I felt really sad for them. So go check it out. I'm gonna tag their channel down below. I'm also tagging the Traveling Mannings. You go down there and subscribe to them as well. Check them out. And if you want to learn more about what it's like to go through something like this, the funnel heads are a key example. Anyways, guys, that's all we have for now. So stay tuned for more updates from Morning Brews and Cruise News. Make sure you're subscribed. My name is Trevor Shelby. Remember, folks, life is like a voyage. You never know where the seas may take you. So stay alert, stay caffeinated, and above all else, stay cruising. Smooth sailing, Pier Runners.